Hey my friends, Richard Weberg here for those of you who do not know me, and in today's video, which I'm going to add to our daily action steps, because this is another great, fantastic way to get guaranteed paid signups and done for you Facebook leads that go directly into your lead capture system. It does not get any easier or simpler than this. Now Lifestyle is the only company out there that you have the option where you actually can buy guaranteed paid downline signups. That makes it so simple for people who go, well, I don't really know how to get started. And in the meantime, I really want to get this thing going. What can I do to get it moving immediately? Why I learn a couple things. Well, we have the perfect answer for that. That is building your downline and starting to generate some income by purchasing guaranteed paid signups. And once you're logged in Now Lifestyle, as you can see on my screen here, I'm already logged in. And in doing so, all you would do is click on this Reseller Tools tab right here. And if for some reason you don't get brought to this page, it might mean that you only have a free account Now Lifestyle. So you definitely want to become a reseller. If you have not became a reseller yet, if you only have a free account, that is not going to allow you to use the whole system and make all the income and all of that kind of stuff. The free is just to give you back office access so that you can see some of the features and stuff that's back there, and you get plugged into the system that way. And there's some welcome video when you first land on your dashboard as well. You can join a Facebook group. But what I'm showing you here today is how simple it is for anyone to buy guaranteed paid signups. And so once you click on the Reseller Tools tab, you can go right over here then in these other tabs that are right underneath that menu and click on Build Your Downline with Guaranteed Paid Signups. And you click on it. And once you're here, you scroll down, watch this video. That's one of the biggest things that people fail to do that they really need to is, and especially if you're brand new or don't know a lot about marketing or Now Lifestyle yet, you want to watch every single video. You'll understand things. So that way, when you have a downline member that has a question or somebody asks you something, you're going to know the answers to it. So it's very important. Take the time to watch the videos. It's why they're there. That's how we became successful, is we did our due diligence. We watched all the videos. It's just like these daily taking action videos. So once you're on this page, watch the video for Build Your Downline with Guaranteed Paid Signups, then scroll down and just click on Guaranteed Paid Signups. And you'll click on that and it'll bring you to another page. And here is where you can purchase them. It's that simple. And I can go back to that page and I'm going to close that out. The other page. But that's how simple it is to get there. And then, sometimes the guaranteed paid signups may not be available because they're on a first come, first served basis and they sell out extremely fast. And Joel is working on scaling those up and trying to deliver as many as humanly possible. So once in a while they are sold out, and then he'll send an announcement out to everybody that they are available again. Make sure you pay attention to your emails from us and from Joel and get plugged in the Facebook group so you know when these things are available so that you can be one of the first to purchase them. But currently right now they are available as I'm doing this video, and like I said, sometimes they may be sold out. So in the meantime, what else you can do to start building your business immediately without any experience, you can actually start putting guaranteed Facebook leads on your list, your email list, through your lead capture system in Now Lifestyle. It is so simple that somebody with no list building experience can have leads starting to come in sometimes within minutes, because the minute you purchase them, you are put in a rotator and you are given your amount of leads. And what Joel has done is Joel has fine-tuned it down to a certain cost. He has literally spent thousands and thousands of dollars fine-tuning this process where he advertises on Facebook for people, and you purchase the done for you Facebook leads, at his cost, of what he's able to get them for, or slightly above, so that for his cost of doing business and time and people he pays to do this for us, nobody else is doing this as well. Joel is literally sharing all his advertising that's bringing in guaranteed paid signups and done for you qualified targeted Facebook leads. Imagine not having to go through that work. Some experienced people understand Facebook, advertising on Facebook using paid ads can be very tricky. Joel does and his team do all that hard work for you, so you don't have to. You don't even need to know how that works. You just come back here again, click on the reseller tools, and then build your list with leads. And you click on that the same way, and it'll bring you to a page where please watch this video. Again, make sure you watch the video. Then click on build your list with leads, and that'll bring you to a page just like it did for the guaranteed paid signups, so that you can purchase the leads. Before you purchase the Facebook leads, make sure that you have done one thing. And I'm going to show you what that is real quick. You click on the Reseller Tools tab again here at the top. Then click on Lead Capture System in this left-hand menu. I've already clicked on it and opened it up, but you click on that, Lead Capture System, in the left-hand menu here, and it'll open up your lead capture system, where you can see we got leads back here, subscribers, and in many different campaigns back here. We have roughly 5,000-6,000 of them in the lead capture system. We also use the autoresponder, which we have a whole bunch more in as well, but that's something that you can learn to use later on. The lead capture system is a full-blown autoresponder designed and done for you, so that you can immediately start building your list, doing the right things online to be successful. The minute you join Now Lifestyle and become a reseller, you have lead capture campaigns already set up with done for you lead capture pages that you can go advertise yourself, or you can buy these Facebook leads that are done for you. And what you can do is then you want to click here to enter your contact details for your emails, because Joel and his team also do some beginning emails for you, so you don't have to. So you can immediately start building your business. Over time, you're going to want to start, sending broadcast emails to your list, and we show you how to do that through video, walkthrough, by the hand. Everything is done for you so much here that it is absolutely blows my mind how simple this system is. You can't help yourself but make money. So then you click on this. Before you purchase any leads or anything, this is one of the things you want to do first, is populate it with some of your details, and then you click update. This information gets pulled from these fields and gets put into these done for you emails to begin with. And I'll show you where you can find them. So you come here, you go to follow up, click on follow up, and we're going to go pick out that campaign. And I'm going to show you. You got the campaigns here in a drop down menu. So what we're going to do is click on the Facebook leads, which are Now Lifestyle paid leads, out of this menu. You may not have all these things in here because I'm a member of one of Joel's other systems and have been for a long time, and that integrated into here as well. So you're probably going to have less of these unless you happen to be a member of Pure Leverage or GBO as well, because they have some other campaigns in there. But otherwise, you're looking for the Now Lifestyle paid leads, so you'd click that so you can load it. And then you can see, done for me, because I populated that, are 1, 2, 3, 4 emails populated for you to begin your email marketing for you. And you can look at these emails, you can click on these buttons and edit it, right here. This is the edit button. And you can literally check them out, add some more details if you want, but I'd recommend leaving those first 4 just the way they are. And if you see percent signs and stuff like that, that does not mean they're messed up. There's a thing called tokens and tags with autoresponders, that's how a company is able to do done for you, because they pull from that information you put in that form I showed you a second ago. And that's why but when your new leads get your emails, these percentages and things like that will not be here. You don't have to worry about that. But that's incredible. Done for you emails, done for you advertising. You literally can join Now Lifestyle, become a reseller, and immediately go purchase leads and start building your list after, going to the lead capture system and putting in that little bit of information. Then you can go purchase paid leads and you're off to the races, or guaranteed paid signups. It does not get any easier or a complete no-brainer than that. Nobody is doing what Now Lifestyle is. Nobody. There is nobody on the internet that is doing all the things. And we are only in the beginning phases of Now Lifestyle. What's to come is absolutely mind-blowing. We are building a billion-dollar company together. And this thing is absolutely exploding because of the features and benefits that I just showed you, because anybody truly without any experience can start building a team, start building their list very quickly without any knowledge of none of this stuff, and start learning a little bit as they go. You just got to take action, and that's what these daily action videos are all about. So make sure when those come available, you purchase them and start building your business so you can start making, the income of your dreams and get free. I was able to retire from working a regular 9 to 5 job at 39 years old because of doing this stuff. My son, John Weberg, was able to never work for anybody after he graduated from high school. He has never had a job for somebody else after he graduated from high school because he didn't need one. He makes more in 1 month than I can't even explain how awesome this thing is and what it has done for my family and what it can do for yours. So make sure you follow our daily action videos. As always, I'll leave a link to that in the YouTube description below so you can see all of our daily action videos that are on one page. You can find many of my videos throughout my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and keep rocking it, everybody. We are excited for your future and we can't wait to meet you on the beaches. Have a great day.